Should you buy the Wolf dual fuel 36-inch range? They just updated their dual fuel ovens again with a new convection system. But how does it compare to brands like Thermador, Miele, and BlueStar with their new dual fuel ranges? Stay to the end for a surprise competitor that may even be better than the Wolf dual fuel range. Wolf is American and family owned. Ranges are typically reliable and parts easier to find than most other brands. As always, we recommend looking at service in your area before investing in any high-end range. Wolf features a high-powered infrared grill and griddle. If you're looking for a decent inside grill, you don't have many other choices other than Monogram and Miele. Brands like Thermador have stopped manufacturing ranges with grills altogether. Every burner on Wolf's ranges can simmer exceptionally well at 340 BTU consistently. Other brands like Thermador and SKS can reach down to 100 BTU, but the flame is intermittent, not consistent. In terms of burners, Wolf's dual fuel range has 20, 18, and 15,000 BTU burners, which is good. You'll see how good in the comparison section. Knobs light up, and you have the temperature right on the top of the knob, so you don't have to bend. You have a 7-inch touchscreen controlling all your oven functions, including Wolf Gourmet, allowing you to input the food and weight, and the oven will calculate the necessary time, temperature, and rack position for the best cooking results. You have their higher level twin convection system known as VertiFlow, which moves air faster and more evenly with 2 fans and larger elements for more even heat distribution. So every cookie will have the proper color and texture. While Wolf's dual fuel range offers a great combination of features, including decent output, a grill option, and the best convection system, Wolf's ranges are only available in stainless steel, although colors will be available later this year, and have none of the special features like steam and induction that you'll see in comparisons to the other brands. Let's look at how it compares to other 36-inch dual fuel ranges. Thermador is the #2 luxury brand. The star burner is raised from the cooktop. It is easier to clean underneath. Thermador is less expensive, and you do get a free dishwasher with the purchase of your range. The oven is just a basic single convection, and it does have Wi-Fi connectivity, but nothing like the Wolf Gourmet functionality. Miele is another family-owned company with sophisticated controls who have their M-Touch interface. Like Wolf, they're easy to use, but they add steam functionality so you can bake bread easily, and there are 15 different modes just for bread. Steam is great for adding moisture to your roast, which can be dry in the drier electric ovens. Miele is a higher BTU grill than Wolf at 19,000, but the burners are less powerful with 19,500 BTU, and the other two are lower at 9 and 8,000 BTU respectively. Miele does have a twin convection oven. Wolf's VertiFlow is a bit better designed. BlueStar is all about power in their new dual fuels with 25,000 BTU burners in the front and 18,000 BTU in the back. You can also choose a grill model as well. You also have something other than stainless to choose from. In fact, 1,000 different colors and 10 trims. BlueStar has the 7-inch touchscreen like Wolf, but no gourmet functionality, no Wi-Fi either, and the oven is just straight single convection. But the surprise competitor Wolf that we mentioned in the beginning of the video has the same functionality, yet a faster cooktop. It's even faster than the 25,000 BTU BlueStar burner. And that competitor is the Wolf 36-inch induction range. The induction top is the fastest with the best simmer, it's the easiest to clean, and the most child safe because you need metal to turn on the burner, all with the same VertiFlow and Wolf Gourmet functionality. Want more information about the best 36-inch dual fuel ranges or more on the Wolf induction range? Then click here, and thanks for watching.